I finished the Nooteboom trailer now, and I've oiled it and waxed it, and I've added these strips of sandpaper to the deck to give the excavator a grip when it's travelling up onto the deck. So I'll just widen out the deck here now, adding the extensions, which makes it wide enough to carry the excavator. Now we can actually run the excavator up onto the deck. It travels up quite nicely onto it, and because of the sandpaper it can get a grip. It won't grip on a smooth surface. And then we can bring the truck back in and join up, and hopefully I can get the pin in, and there it is. And then we can load up the rock breaker as well, and away she goes. If I had more time I'd bring down the arm, but that's it for this video.